Hello.
How old are you on?
24.
Okay. I just want to make, because they said you got to be at least 21.
Really?
Yes. I don't know why. I have no idea.
Like, what if I ordered it and I was like 20 and it was my package?
I have no idea.
Alright, thank you.
Hey, you're welcome.
It's fucking here. Yo, guys, it's here. Oh my god. For some reason, I don't know if you guys heard her. She said that I had to be 21 years old to accept this package. It's not beer or alcohol. Like, what? Oh my god, it's here. I'm so happy. You guys don't understand how happy I am right now. All right, boys, it's the next day. This right here is the intakes. These are all front mount intakes, and we're gonna go install it on the M right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to 2816. My name is Tia. This is the BMW M4. What, bro? Why are you gonna be like that? Today we're gonna be installing front mount intakes on this thing, as you guys can see here. The brand, do I want to say what brand it is? Absolutely not, just because some crap wrong with it. But right now we have VR Performance front mount intakes. So yeah, let's get this baby installed. I'm stuck. Right now, I'm pretty sure you guys probably watched like 30 million install videos, just like I did. And basically, we gotta move this strut bar. Basically, you just have to take off this push pin here. Use a 10mm, take off the remaining bolts, and then the strut bar is gonna come up. So you guys are gonna see us do that really quick, and yeah, let's do this, I guess. All right, so those are loose. Where are we gonna put this stuff at? I see. So after you do that, you gotta get these, take these 13mm thingamajigs. So we're gonna do that real quick. Put that back. You don't want to lose your tools. 13mm. You don't need this extender. Oh shoot! Is that righty tighty lefty loosey? Bro, which way? Am I doing it the right way? Ooh. Bro, I feel like I'm tightening it.
You're definitely tightening it.
Okay.
What's the thingy thing on it?
Oh. Bro,
Oh
why
my
you
god.
freaking tell me that, bro? Hey, we cutting that out. Let's not joke. This is kind of serious. We're playing with a $60,000 car right now. Imagine I crack it. So, shut the frick up. So now that that's done, ooh, get off that, goofy. All right, so now that we got the strut bar out of the way, basically we're just gonna remove the weather stripping so we can get behind the kidney grills, and then remove these little weird thingy-mabobbers. Hopefully I know how to put this back on, because I never done it before. So now we have to disconnect the mask airflow sensor. All right, you gotta remove the mass airflow. Just remove that, you know, sit it there.
Give us some more stuff. There you go.
So now what we have to do is we have to cut, because it's not gonna be, you're not gonna be able to fit one of the cones through there. So, not cones, whatever this is right now. The shorter end goes through. it's not gonna be able to fit, so we're gonna have to cut. Hello? All right, so once you get everything off, obviously you're gonna wanna take this mass or MAP airflow sensor and then just place it right onto your new one.
Thank you, Scrum.
Thank you. All right, we got this stupid air box out. All right, so you get this side out as well, and you're good. Guys, we're literally like 2 hours in and we're not even like close to being done right now. All right, so we got the first cones in here, or whatever you want to call these thingies right here. We got those in there, so now what we're gonna do is attach this to here, and then yeah, basically, you know, maneuver it. All right, guys, so we got everything installed. We got the front mount intakes installed, as you can see here. The only downside is, come here, boy. Look at how close this fitment is. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put some pictures up, but it's like literally like a millimeter from the belt. That is the only issue and fitment issue that we are having with this car. I'm kind of scared to drive it, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, it is what it is. But now we're basically just gonna put the car back together, and then we're gonna go for a drive and, you know, hear these turbos. It's actually really cool because it's cool air right now. It's not hot. It's like probably like a good, let's see the weather right now. Ooh, good 68 degrees. 67 actually. So, and dry. So yeah, we'll put it back together. We got some time lapse going, put it back together, go for a drive, and I'm thirsty, so I'm definitely going to the gas station. But yeah, let's go. Put it back here. All right.